Hey guys, and welcome back to my nail journal. So today is just going to be a really chill video. We're going to do a swatch fest because my Jude Nails It order finally came in the mail. It was supposed to be here whenever I filmed my last video. I was going to use newer colors, well, new to me. But I think they got behind and it came late, and then it said out for delivery yesterday, and then it said I had to come pick it up, but then today they delivered it, so anyway, it's finally here. So first, let's take a look at the colors before we get to doing our swatches. So I bought this duo more specifically for like the fall time and Halloween, but I still wanted to make sure that I got it. So this is a thermo changer and a glow in the dark, and this is called Children of the Candy Corn. And I can't wait to see this. So this will change colors and glow in the dark. This is the glitter that goes with it called Candy Corn Mosaic. And this glitter is so pretty. This is a perfect fall glitter. Both those colors are going to be gorgeous in the fall, and I can't wait. Okay, so she has this glitter which is called Winterberry, and I did a video involving, like I did a Swatch Fest video in the past with me swatching this. I've worn this glitter. So anyway, I bought these two colors to go with Winterberry. So we have pink Tourmaline. Very pretty, like plummy color. And then we have Posh Plum. And I believe this one can be chromed if you want. So here's another one of her glitters called Blushing Pixie that also was in a past Swatch Fest video, and I've also worn this one. It changes in the sunlight. This one I believe is discontinued. I don't think she makes it anymore. But anyway, I got Playful Pixie to wear with it. So if you couldn't get a hold of Blushing Pixie, she does still have Playful Pixie. Look how beautiful that is. And this again will change in the sun. So of course, if you've been following me for some time, you know that I created the dip powder called Kayla that Jude Nails It sells, and she created a sister powder called Strawberries and Creme. And so of course I got that as well. I'm a little late to it, but I got it, and I want to wear it with Kayla like ASAP because they're so perfect for each other. Another one featured in a past Swatch Fest video. I have not worn this one yet. This is her color Peri Twinkle. But I got this one. This one is new. She made it for Mother's Day, called Boys to Men, because we're raising our boys to be men. And this one is also a, it's a thermo changer and a sun changer. So it'll change colors in both the temperature and the sun. So I can't wait to get this swatched and see all the different color variations. But I want to wear this with the Peri Twinkle glitter. And then Jude Nails It was nice enough to throw in Tin Man's Heart. I've been eyeing this color for so long. And this is just a gorgeous, like, blue tinted silvery glitter. And it is, the name of it is a shout out to Miranda Lambert's song called Tin Man, or Mr. Tin Man. I can't remember exactly the title, but I love that song though. So I have 8 colors here, so I'm going to kind of swatch them 4 at a time. Starting with the second layers of every color, well, of the first 4. Okay, let's get started on the next 4. Here's strawberries and creme. Strawberries and creme next to Kayla. Children of the Candy Corn. And here it is when it's warm. This is such a beautiful color. And you can tell that it's trying to glow. There's still sunlight out, but see, it glows in the dark. Candy Corn Mosaic. Again, this glitter is so perfect for fall and Halloween time. Playful Pixie in the shade. It's very reflective. There it is after being in the sun. It's kind of hard to get the color change indoors because the color changes so fast, so almost exactly after pulling it out of the lamp it changes back. Here is Boys to Men, just normal. And Boys to Men after pulling it out of the lamp, it becomes darker. See, it already changed back so fast. And then I'm going to set it in some hot water. And I think it becomes an even lighter blue. And here's Boys to Men next to Peri Twinkle. Tin Man's Heart, also very reflective, and I'm going to compare it to Blue Steel. Blue Steel is a color by her that is discontinued, but Blue Steel is way more blue toned than Tin Man's Heart is. So I believe Blue Steel is on the right, but I believe they may have the same silver chunky glitters, but they are totally different colors. So even though Blue Steel is discontinued, if you already have that one and you were thinking about passing on Tin Man because you thought they might be too similar, they are very different. Pink Tourmaline. And Posh Plum. They're pretty much the same shade, but Posh Plum has a shimmer, and the shimmer in Posh Plum makes it possible to chrome over. Here they are next to each other. Pink Tourmaline on the left and Posh Plum on the right. And here they both are side by side next to Winter Berry. And there you guys go, and if you're wondering if it's hard to hold 8 swatches in one hand, yes, it is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box. I'll give out all of JudeNailsIt's information down there. You can follow her on Facebook, Instagram, and stay tuned for her website to launch. Right now she's just on Etsy, but soon the website will be up, as well as the starter kits, which was in my last video. I'll leave an info card here, or there'll be like something that'll pop up on the screen. So yeah, bye guys.